Hello everyone, my name is Joshua Bernardo Sitangam. Today, I will explain you how the importance of big data analytics for strategic marketing purposes. So, without any further ado, let's check it out.
Big data analytics is important for strategic marketing because today's customer journey is no longer simple. Customers usually do not buy a product after seeing only one advertisement. Instead, they interact with many touchpoints before making a purchase. For example, a skincare customer may first see a TikTok video, then watch an influencer review, search the product on Google, visit Wardah's website, and read the reviews on the Shopee or the Tokopedia, and finally, buy the product during the promotions. Without big data analytics, a company may think that the last promotions or the final click advertisements caused the purchase. In reality, the decision may have been influenced by many previous interactions. Based on the Buhalis and Volchek, the journal that I read, marketing attribution helps companies use customer data to understand the value of each touchpoint in the customer journey. This helps marketers understand the customer behavior, allocate budget more effectively, personalize communications, and measure campaign performance beyond sales. So, big data analytics is not only a technical tool, it is a strategic marketing tool that helps companies to understand why customers buy, where they interact, and which marketing activities truly influence their decisions.
To make these discussions more practical, I will using Wardah Indonesia for the example of the skincare brand with the strongest commercial activity in Indonesia. Everybody knows Wardah, especially women. Why Wardah is so relevant? It is because the skincare consumers today interact with many marketing channels before making a purchase decisions, such as TikTok, Instagram, online reviews, influencer reviews, brand websites, e-commerce platforms, and also the several people still using offline stores visiting.
From the marketing attributions. Marketing attributions is defined as a strategy for determining the value of the marketing communications and allocating that value to identify the touchpoints along the customer journey. In simple terms, marketing attributions can help the companies to answer these questions. Which marketing touchpoint contribute most to the customer conversions? So, a touchpoint is any interactions between a customer and a brand through a marketing channel. It can be an advertisement, website visit, social media post, influencer review, email promotions, product review, or maybe offline store interactions. So, the customer journey also consists of a sequence of the touch points, and each touch points can have a positive, negative, or maybe neutral effect on the customer's decisions to continue the journey and move toward the conversions.
This is very important for the skincare marketing because customers often need information and trust before purchasing some products. They may ask some questions such as is this product suitable for my skin type? Is the product safe? Is it halal? What do other customers say? Is the price worth it? Is the price worth it? Is there any promotions? Because of this, skincare customer decisions are shaped by multiple information sources.
Let's see the customer journey for choosing where the sunscreen campaign. We divide it into three parts, as we can see now: stage and which touch point we want to use, and what the customer's behaviors be like after that. And to build the awareness, we can choose TikTok or Instagram content, and hopefully the customers becomes aware of the product importance of the sunscreens. And to build the interest, we can use influencer review, and hopefully customers starts trusting the product. And for the rest, you can see by yourself and you can read it. So what's the point of this? If Wardah uses only one last click attributions, the final e-commerce promotions may receive all the credit for the purchase. However, this is not fully accurate because the customer's decisions may have been influenced by earlier touch points. Using the framework from RAI to make the framework that can be applied to Wardahs. Here on the screen, as we can see now, we divided into 6 type of frameworks. First, data infrastructure, and then the sequential customer journey, and the cross-channel attributions, and then analytics functionality, and cumulative effect of touchpoints, and the last one is the data-driven attributions. This means Wardah shouldn't only ask which channel generate the final sale. Instead, Wardah should ask, how did different touchpoints work together to influence the customer's decisions? For example, TikTok may be strong in creating awareness. Influencer reviews may build trust. The website may provide educations. E-commerce reviews may reduce the perceived risk. Promotions may push final conversions. By using multi-touch and data-driven attributions, Wardah can understand the role of each touchpoint more accurately and generate significantly the revenue of the company.
Why Wardah? Why Wardah is so relevant? Wardah is the suitable example for this case because Wardah is the well-known skincare and cosmetics brand in Indonesia. Paragon, as the holding of the Wardah's company, said that they are the pioneer of the halal cosmetics in Indonesia by Wardah itself. And also, they are states that the brand already fulfills for the consumer's needs for the high-value beauty products, makeup, and the skincare at the affordable price.
Because of Wardah's already use data analytics to their strategic marketing, it makes the Wardahs win so many awards. As we can see on the screen now, here are the several awards from many awards that Wardahs achieve. First, they achieve for the silver winner omni-channel marketing in categories Wardah Color Fit Cushions relaunch. And then the second winner is gold winner Lin Jin for this category CRM Wardah's Beauty AI. And the top of mine is the Brand of the Year 2025. Wardah win that categories. So it's very good to Wardah because they are using data analytics for the strategic marketings.
Okay. Since the sales revenue of Wardah is very growing significantly, so the conclusion is the big data analytics, it is very important for the strategic marketing. Why? Because it is helps the companies to fully understand the real complexity for the customer journeys. Okay. It is also has some similarity based on the journal that I read from the Buhalis and also the Volchek's articles or the journal. Marketing's attributions allows the companies to identify the value of each touch point and understand how the marketing communications influence customers' conversions. The key point of these lessons is very simple. What's the key point? The key point is the modern marketing shouldn't only measure whether customers buy, but also understand why they buy, how they decide, and which touch points influence their journey. So, thank you very much to watch and listen to these videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye bye. See you again.